Check out this 2011 Toyota Prius. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.